Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. This time we will be looking at the exciting 10th anniversary of Infinite Dimension Model Kit 1:100 Nemesis. Let's analyze this promotional video. This model kit will boast a multiple color separation on the runners. And they are stating that this is the pinnacle of the 10th anniversary of their company for the actual model kit. These guys actually gave us their first offering in the market for the actual Genesis, which is one of my favorite third-party model kits. They are dubbing this one Advanced Strategic Revenge Titan. Nemesis. This model kit will take a lot of space since this one has a wide wingspan of 450 millimeters. And inspired by the MGEX Strike Freedom, we have layers of inner frame before the actual final build. But unlike the Bandai version, this one will include some metal parts for the actual inner frame. And aside from the actual metal parts, we also get multiple finish, like matte finish, and as well as metal etched parts to enhance the actual model. Six colors were used for the actual armor pieces. And let's explore the structure and articulation that this model kit has to offer. Cool sliding mechanisms are also offered on the actual body parts. I hope this part will not be prone to breakage, like in the Strike Freedom J4 model kit. And based on their prototype design, this could achieve elegant kneeling poses and hugging chest poses. The Action Base offers storage spaces for the actual backpack and for the actual fin funnels. Personally, for me, this looks like another variant for the Strike Freedom Gundam. The funnels has been creatively layered with multiple weapons and gimmicks. And instead of using articulated hands, they opted for set of hands that would offer stability in holding the weapon pieces. This model also boasts opening hatches and gimmicks all throughout the actual build. Now this is what I call a true master grade in terms of having a cockpit and a pilot figure. Although this is a Strike Freedom ripoff, definitely I am getting my copy for this actual model kit. Anyway, thank you for reaching this far. Hope you liked the video and see you on the next one.